The 7 most traded currency pairs in Forex are called the majors. They are the Euro to US dollar, the US dollar to Japanese yen, the pound sterling to US dollar, the Australian dollar to US dollar, the US dollar to Swiss franc, the US dollar to Canadian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar to US dollar. The majors are often referred to by their nicknames: the Euro, the Yen, the Cable, the Aussie, the Swissy, the Loonie, the Kiwi. Compared to other pairs, the majors share certain characteristics that make them very popular for traders. No wonder they make up about 80% of the traded volume on the Forex market. And those are the major currency pairs. Stay tuned for the next video that will explore another group of currency pairs: crosses.